All right, it is Saturday. Got to sleep in a little bit this morning, but we get our first call. It is 11 a.m. So we are headed to our first call of the day. This is a rental property, which they usually are on the weekends in this area. But we are headed there now, and it's just a no cool. They said they checked the drain line and breakers,
at the next
and
stop sign,
it's still not
turn
cooling.
right.
So we're gonna go head there and see what we can find. All right, here we go. Hello, air conditioning. Alright, let's find which one is not working. This one looks like it's working. That one's working. This one feels like it's working. This one feels like it's working. 68. This one's satisfied at 68 degrees. First floor ones was set to 68, running at 72. Oh, here we go. Now feel the warmth. It's always the top floor. You guys can see that. Set to 69, it's 80 degrees. Now we just gotta find it right here. Okay. So let's see what we got here. Some muck, but it's not clogged. This breaker's off. Somebody's been messing with it. Batteries are in it. Take those out. No power. Turn this right here on. Alright. Voila. Power. So, let me go down and grab my thermometer. We'll make sure it kicks on first. I don't know how well y'all can see the view. Right on the beach today. Went down and grabbed my water bottle for hot water. There's some gunk in that drain line. Thermometer. See if she's cooling. Sounds like it's on. I hear refrigerant. So we might be having a refrigerant issue. A 10-degree temp split. So we're gonna go check refrigerant levels, and then I'm gonna go ahead and, since I'm here, flush that drain line, and then we'll check refrigerant levels outside. So typically you want Typically you want, I would say 18 to 22. It used to be 15 to 20, but nowadays there's no reason why you can't get a good 20-degree split depending on the system you're working on. Because you do get those one systems, like in condos, that just you can't get nothing but a 15-degree out of. This one right here in the middle. So now I gotta figure out how to get up there. Take off what I need. There is definitely not a lot of room up here. Turn that on, turn that on. Go ahead and get over refrigeration. I'll go ahead and get my clamps. We'll check subcool. Yes. The new Testo app did an update and it's a pain in the butt. So you have to shut it down, click on it, click it, and then it'll find your stuff. Pain in the butt. It's hard being bent over like this, getting old. Make sure we put it on the right one. Alright, right one's on. It's low, but ain't that low. Just low enough to not be pulling out the heat. Right. Grab some refrigerant. Here we go again, on our own. And here's how I add. Just shut that off, check it. It ain't gonna be that much. I don't have a scale, but we charge like 1 to 3 pounds a number. So it ain't gonna be that much. I don't think it's gonna be under 3 pounds for sure. Have some. It's like 80 degrees up there. So add some more. This right here is why these HVAC guys don't need no gym membership. Going up and downstairs about 40 times. So I'm going up here now. I'm going to double check temp split. And then I'm going to do a leak check on the inside. Outside, I couldn't find a leak. I only added about 2 pounds. But that run-through system only holds 4 plus the line set. So you're probably looking at 7 pounds total. It's already down to 76 on the thermostat from 80, which is good. Looks like somebody's already done this once. There's a screw missing right here. I'm out of breath. Yeah, looks like we're going good now. It's coming on down. All right, let's do a leak check. One thing it sucks about working HVAC, working the weekends, is you miss a lot of family. My wife and kid is up at the mall doing like a touch-a-truck where they park all these cool trucks like fire trucks and stuff and lets kids climb all over them and do fun stuff. And I'm missing out. But that's okay, because they wouldn't be able to do that if I wasn't making money. So we're here making money. But I can't get a leak. Isolation test takes a while though, so we're emergencies only right now. I haven't smelled refrigerant anywhere. Alright, I guess we'll call this one finished for today. Set it back in cool mode and turn it back on. Alright, we are done with that call. I added refrigerant, get them cooling. There's guests coming in. Property manager did state that they're having high condensation issues on the first floor and they're not sure why. I told them I'll need more time to inspect, so when these guests check out, to call the office and schedule so we can get a good time during the week to do it. It's not really like a weekend thing. This is emergencies only on the weekend. But from my first glance when I went in there, they had it set to 68 on all the floors, so that thing's running. Holding temp at a 68 in one of these Florida homes over here on the beach, it's going to condensate a lot. But it could also be other issues. There were run-throughs and trains. We could have dripping coils. We could have multiple things going on. They could have humidity issues. I just need to get all the tools and gadgets, get over here, check infrared, thermal imaging, see if there's any outside air just coming in, making moisture issues, and all the above. I looked at the vents though, and I don't see any moisture issues on the vents. So everything's probably, it's just condensating a lot because it's doing a great job of what it's supposed to be doing. But we will find out when we come back out, and hopefully it's me, and I can bring you guys along for that. So stay tuned for that. And here's one Saturday call down. So I hope you guys enjoy, and make sure you hit that thumbs up, that like button, comment below just how I'm doing. If I did something wrong, any tips on making it better. I know as an HVAC tech and a seasoned HVAC tech, we still make mistakes. So stuff happens. So I'll take criticism and I'll take attaboys. So if you guys think I'm doing a good job, make sure you comment below and let me know, and I'll keep on track. Until next time, guys, I'll see you.